In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete the form button on your pages and also fix the glitch in LightBox where it causes a shift of your navigation to be moved down. So it's going to be a pretty quick fix. I'm going to go ahead and actually duplicate my gallery page just because I'm going to make some changes and I want to have an original uh, document of it already so that I can show you. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the actual gallery page where it has all my files. I'm going to go ahead and first I'm going to go to the head tag. I'm going to copy everything from the top all the way to um, the closing of the head tag, right before the body tag. So everything from the closing of the head tag, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to open up my index, and actually every other page on your site, basically, you want to do that too. So basically this process, you want to make sure you do it for every single page on your site. I'm going to go to my index. I'm going to delete this code and paste the other code in. And I'm going to just do a quick preview because there's one other step that we need to take. So here I am on my home page. I go to the gallery page and basically everything works perfect and nothing shifts down. But the problem that I'm having is that this search box is going to actually off. The search box just kind of updated. Okay. Well, let's say you don't want the search box. So what you could do is you come back here and then you just click on your form right here, and it automatically highlights everything, the code for the form. So make sure you don't delete anything extra, and you can just click delete. And you basically could do that for your other pages as well. Again, you can highlight it, form to form, you can click delete. One last thing that I'm going to show you is, let's say you don't want to have a drop-down menu. Let's say you just want to have 4 buttons or 5 buttons straight on your page. So the way you can fix that is, so this is the nav. So this is the items for the drop-down. You can see that I have an LI tag that says drop-down, and then I have drop-down menu, help, and donate. So it's between this LI, so it's this section that I'm going to delete. And I'm going to now, let's say I want to have the donate or whatever that other button is. So what I'm going to do is I'll just simply highlight one of these lines, let's say the middle one. I'm going to move down. Let's say you want to, oops, and I'll do it like another time. Let's say you want to have an about page, maybe a bio page, maybe blog. I mean, you can just decide, and you'd want to make sure to change these to reflect whatever page you want to have, the HTML, and you want to make sure you have that HTML page. So once you do that, I'm going to save, and let's just do a quick preview. So that's my home page. You see that nothing shifted, and And then the gallery page, that's where I made those changes. You see I don't have any drop down menu. So then what you could do, just so that you don't have to, kind of make those changes on every other page, you can come back on the page that you actually fix your um, nav bar, and I'm just going to highlight nav and go all the way down to the closing of the nav. Very important to make sure to catch all this. I'm going to come back to my index, click on my nav, so it just highlights the whole thing. And I'm just going to confirm, closing the div, perfect. I'm going to go ahead and delete, and um, right after the fluid, I'll just paste the code. So once you learn about the um, reusing this open source code, it actually gets a lot easier, and you don't have to like change things um, manually consistently. So this is how you can fix the spacing issue that was happening when I was going between home and index, and also I showed you how to get rid of the search box, as well as if you want to get rid of the drop down and just have the nav just appear by itself like this. And then another quick thing I'm going to show you is the order, because I don't want the gallery to be the last button. So I'm going to go back here, and simply I'll just copy the Command X and just go above contact, because I want the contact to be my last page. I'm going to go Command V. I'll just copy and paste these last two items, save, come to gallery, and I'll just delete and paste the other one. So now, as you could see, I have the correct order, and basically everything looks perfect. So please, for those of you who've had this issue with shifting, if you plan to use LightBox, please feel free to revise your projects for next Monday and basically submit the corrected gallery. But remember, you can use wow slider or carousel, but it's good to really learn how to create different types of gallery for your web pages, because it makes you basically makes you more skills, your skill set stand out more.